What is going on, everybody? Happy you're joining in again. Today I'm bringing you down to the Burlington waterfront. I'm here at one of my all-time favorite spots to shoot film. As well as that, I wanted to show you kind of the ins and outs about some of these film photos that I've been taking, and yeah, how all of that works. So let me show you how that is done. Alright, so this is the Nikkormat 35mm that I am using right now. It's got the 300mm lens on it. The dial on this side of the camera is going to affect the shutter speed. You guys can kind of see it moving right there. And you kind of want to keep checking that depending on your frame, because the lighting is always going to change and you always want to expose for the light that you're shooting in. On this side there's also the ASA value, which is just like the sensitivity of the film that you're shooting with. Alright, so this is the other film camera I'm shooting on right now. It's a 35mm Canon FTV, and it's a lot of fun, super easy. Really kind of works out in a lot of situations. I haven't really experienced one where it's too bright yet for it to be overexposed over 1,000th of a second. I'm in a pretty cool spot right now. I think it's just kind of an unfinished building by the shore. Some of you guys might know more about it than I do, but it's kind of presenting some cool angles. So I'm going to try and get this on black and white, just waiting for that sun to come out and dip below the clouds, so it really casts some cool shadows on the cement right there. But yeah, if you guys are interested in film photography, I highly recommend it. It's a ton of fun. It's a little bit on the pricey side, but if you're looking for a new hobby and you like the patience side of photography, I highly recommend picking up a 35mm. So it's really actually helped me a lot with my composition and just kind of slowing everything down. Alright guys, sun came out. That's going to do it for the video. Anyway, I hope you guys liked it, and yeah, we'll see you next time.